Welcome to the GTU Libraries update on the latest version of Zotero. Zotero is a free and open-source citation, organization, and annotation software, and this will be an overview of the features of Zotero 9. The standout feature is Read Aloud. This isn't just basic text-to-speech. For subscribers, Zotero uses high-quality, natural-sounding Zotero voices for PDFs, EPUBs, and web page snapshots. Free Zotero users can use basic local voices for free, while premium and standard voices have limited free minutes. After clicking the headphones, you can toggle it on by typing L on your keyboard. Toggle it off by typing R. You can use the left and right arrow keys to move back a paragraph or forward a paragraph. If you want to annotate the PDF while using the Read Aloud feature, you can press H to highlight the last sentence that was read, or you can press the letter U to underline. You can change the color, or simply press Enter to accept the default settings. Clicking on any annotation listed in the left panel will let you add your own thoughts. More on this later, but this is where you can begin drafting ideas that make writing your assigned paper easier. You can click the letters A in the toolbar to change your page view and the background color of the article. The split view function lets you keep one page visible while you scroll through the rest of the article. I like using the two-page spread view to move more quickly through the article. The second feature improves findability and discovery across your Zotero library. In Zotero 9, you will see a default, recently read collection which will automatically gather the articles you read using the PDF viewer in Zotero. You can also add a last read column to any of your collections by right-clicking on any column header. For people with larger Zotero libraries, remember that Zotero has an advanced search functionality, and you can use attachment last read as a condition of a search. I'm very excited about the third feature we're highlighting today, adding annotations to your Word documents. If you've been annotating article PDFs in Zotero and commenting on those highlights and underlines with your analysis, you can add both to Microsoft Word with this new feature. But first, let's review the Add Citation feature. Zotero will automatically suggest PDFs you have open or items that you've clicked in your library. Before, you could type page numbers after the citation, but now you should click the citation. Then you can add page numbers in the dialog box. The Add Annotation button will open a special search and view so that you can add the right quotes and notes to your draft. I find the Selected and Open Document buttons at the top make it easier to navigate the screen. Then, scroll through the annotations to the far right. For articles that have a lot of highlights, you might filter the annotations by a keyword. Click the plus icon to add the highlight, underline, or any other annotation along with any comments you made on it to your document. Then, you can keep on drafting, adding your own thoughts and exposition, letting Zotero track the footnotes automatically. The final feature update to know about in Zotero 9 is the new added by and modified by columns you can add to group library views. If you are working on a group project, this lets you track who has completed what parts of the research process. Zotero 9 makes some of the more tedious aspects of research easier to handle. Check for updates regularly. Thanks for listening, and please let us know if you have any questions.